Users typically pick between the Samsung Galaxy S23, the iPhone 14, and the Asus Zenfone series, which are compact and popular options. The Zenfone 10 follows suit with its 5.9-inch screen size, powerful performance, standard style, and high-quality camera, but it has yet to add any genuinely innovative new features. Hardware and design. The Zenfone 10 from Asus stands out in a market where other phones lack features like a headphone jack by providing top-tier performance alongside headphone connector and wireless charging. Its ergonomic build and Android's one-handed mode make using it with one hand a breeze. Zenfone 10 uses the same boxy design as last year's model to house components effectively and is made of lightweight polycarbonate plastic on the back. The brilliant 5.9 2-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display boasts a variable refresh rate of 60, 90, or 120 Hz, or auto-switching between these three, for silky smooth performance. The phone's plastic back comes in various colors: black, red, blue, white, and green, which is a nice touch. The volume and power buttons are in an easily accessible spot, and the device's more aesthetically pleasing huge round cameras. Aluminum with chamfered edges makes it easy to hold. The Zenfone 10's design is superior to that of its competitors. Performance. The Asus Zenfone 10 holds its own when compared to competing smartphones. There's a Snapdragon 8 processor from Qualcomm's latest generation, as much as 12 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It may be small, but don't let that fool you. It packs all the punch you'd expect from something of its class. Like other Snapdragon-powered smartphones, the default performance mode does not fully exploit the chipset's capabilities. However, its full potential will be unlocked once you switch to high-performance mode. Software. Asus places the premium on user control, offering two distinct Android experiences: stock Android and Asus Optimized. You can select one of these modes during the initial setup process. We have updated the notification concealer, the volume settings, and the power alternatives. You can disconnect the linked volumes in Asus Optimal mode if you need to manage them independently. For the same reason, using two independent volume controls while listening to audio is the most convenient solution. You can utilize pixel-like alerts if you switch to stock Android, or use Asus Quicker Tile Display. The power menu can be used in either the conventional configuration or one that Asus has tweaked without affecting its operation. Zen UI, Asus's user interface, is minimalist and easy to navigate. Cameras. Cameras are often downgraded in tiny phones because of limited internal space. In this aspect, Asus's Zenfone 10 stands out. It has a 50-megapixel primary sensor with a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 2.0 and a 13-megapixel wide-angle lens with a 120-degree field of view in the rear dual-camera system. Pixel binning allows a 32-megapixel front-facing camera to produce 8-megapixel photos. The new stabilization technology is fantastic at eliminating video and still image vibrations. With its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ample RAM, and adaptive electronic image stabilization, the system takes clear photographs and smooth videos. Despite its capabilities, the Zenfone 10 has issues when used at close range. Even though it has zoom capabilities, the image quality suffers significantly after 2x magnification. It is awe-inspiring that night mode vastly enhances performance in low light conditions. The innovative RGBW sensor and 32-megapixel front-facing camera are potent tools. Adding the RGBW sensor, with the W standing for white, increases the precision with which white tones are reproduced compared to standard RGB sensors. Should you buy it? There has been a decline in the use of compact phones. Modern foldable smartphones, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Motorola Razr Plus, combine portability and a low price. Finding a phone with a screen smaller than 6 inches and a capable camera is problematic. Despite this, Asus Zenfone 10 excels. It has a low-profile yet high-quality build, comes in various colors, and operates well on Android. Although generally trustworthy, the camera system shines for most uses. The Zenfone 10 strikes an excellent mix between durability, performance, and display quality, making it a perfect choice for those who yearn for more straightforward portable gadgets. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.